Para sa iyo, what's the definition of tagumpay or success before and now?
Alam mo, when you're young, success is more about trying to reach new heights. Naalala ko, first time ako maging manager, sabi ko, success, okay na to, manager na ako. But naging assistant vice president ako, sabi ko, success, assistant vice president. Yung ang success na sinasabi ko, yung kotse ko, manual, naging automatic, malaking success na yun. And as you continue to grow, you misconstrue success, financial, with having, tangible, then as you grow, you'll realize you only need so much. And ano ba yung talagang success? Napakasimple lang pala ng totoong success ngayon. Be able to see your loved ones, be able to stand and walk, and be able to see friends, family, to be able to smile, to be able to say that you're healthy, be able to just have the ability to have a good chat with a friend. Yung success, there are other people. At sinasabi ko nga sa iba, kahit anong sarap nung iniinom mo o kinakain mo, suka mong kumain mag-isa. Natin kung anong sarap niya. Kahit ano pang ganda nung restaurant that you go into, you try to be alone or not be with people that you're happy with. Be with people that you'd like to be with. Nasa ilalim lang kayo ng puno at chichirya lang na meron kayong balot na nakakuha dyan. Napakasarap-sarap ng kwentuhan ninyo. That's what happiness is all about. Naalala ko when I was visiting my friends US, sabi lang, saan mo gustong pumunta? Saan mo gusto mo ba madalaw itong ganito? Gusto mo madalaw yung ganyan? Masabi ko, in fact na nakita ko lang kayo, nakakapagkwentuhan tayo. Lang tayo sa ilalim ng puno at nakakapagkwentuhan tayo. Meron tayong mga chichirena. So much fun. And that's something that I'm very happy with. Yung success will always be, for me, the ability to create that harmony inside you that will make you smile and be able to say, I've been able to make other people happy. I'm happy.